Concluding remarks. This course has provided you with several ways that TikTokers are making money very early on with this platform that's getting loads of traffic. In my intro, I mentioned that there is so much interest in TikTok now and not a lot of content being put out. So the people that are creating content are seeing a huge level of engagement. The same thing happened with other platforms in their early days. You have the ability to reach such a large audience right now. Some believe that a major differentiator between Instagram and TikTok is the fact that TikTok videos don't disappear after 24 hours, the way it's designed on Instagram. Like YouTube, the video is there to stay. If you published that video weeks ago, but the content is trending, essentially it's gaining momentum, the TikTok algorithm could pick that video up and distribute it amongst those that want to see this content. This drives so much traffic to your video weeks after being published. This is how some people are receiving millions of views, making them go viral. You have collected vital tips, do's and don'ts, TikTok trends, algorithm details, money-making methods, and recommendations for the account setup process. Wishing you the best of luck in your TikTok ventures. If you enjoyed this course, please remember to provide a positive rating.